All right, here we are in Adobe Photoshop. I'm going to show you why you can't save as a PNG anymore. Or, you used to be able to, and you still can in some scenarios, but it's different. And one problem is the color mode, CMYK, and I have an RGB one over here. So if I go to attempt to just save as, and here we go, I'm just like, nope, no PNG. If I hit save a copy, which this is a way where you can get more options. See, a lot more options, still no PNG, and that's because uh, this file here is the one I was trying to save is in the CMYK color mode. So if you go up here and change it to RGB, like this one is, you can then save as, and then if you see it's still not there. If you hit save a copy, but now it's in RGB, you find PNG. So Photoshop's really relying on the export feature for these because if it's in CMYK and you can still export it. So I just think there's so much exporting going on that they're just like, hey, no one's even saving as anymore. But yeah, you can export it as a PNG or just export as. You'll see the PNG options there, even on a CMYK file, but you can't save it unless it's got to be 8-bit uh, right here, and it's got to be RGB, and then you can save as copy. It's so funny. Layers of saving, and then we got PNG. So there we are. All right. Hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, please. Let me know in the comments. Have a good one.